Health authorities are expecting the MERS outbreak to reverse course soon, but the number of new cases rose again today. 13 more cases and 2 more deaths were confirmed this morning. For more, we connect to our Connie Kim, standing by the news center. Connie, give us the details on the figures.
Daniel, there are 108 confirmed MERS cases, and the death toll now stands at 9, with the fatality rate at slightly over 8%. The 2 who passed away were secondary infections in patients who were hospitalized for severe illnesses, including liver cancer. And what's attracting attention today is the 13 newly confirmed MERS cases, 10 of which are patients from Samsung Medical Center in Southern Seoul. Now, this is a hospital with nearly half of the total MERS cases at 47. And about the pregnant woman who tested positive for the MERS virus yesterday at a hospital in Seoul, she is now undergoing a retest after testing negative in what was supposed to be a final round of testing. Health officials say 11 MERS patients are in critical condition, while more than 3,400 people have been put under quarantine. Meanwhile, more schools closed nationwide today, bringing the total to more than 2,400 preschools and elementary schools. However, health officials say there is no need to be overly afraid. And that view was echoed by a team of WHO experts that are currently in Korea to assess the MERS situation. They say the schools should consider reopening as all MERS cases came from hospitals affected by the disease. And the good news is that one MERS patient has been released from Pyeongtaek St. Mary's Hospital in Gyeonggi-do Province. The virus now seems to be contained there with 0 additional infections since Monday.
It looks like the government and health officials are trying to make up for their lackluster performance during the initial stages of the virus. And we do believe as part of this efforts, acting Prime Minister has made new announcements this morning. Can you walk us through that, Connie?
Daniel, I'll break it down into 4 points. Now, first, Korea has designated 4 more hospitals as MERS treatment centers for people showing symptoms of the disease. Now, take a look at the chart right here. There is 1 each in Seoul, Gyeonggi-do Province, Daejeon, and Chungcheongnam-do Province. All of these are places with confirmed MERS cases. And that brings the number of hospitals authorized to treat MERS patients to 16. And second, Che recommended that people refrain from visiting hospitalized friends or relatives to prevent secondary and tertiary infections. However, he said people who are sick should visit their local hospitals instead of going to a facility that has been affected by the virus. Third, Che made it clear that MERS cannot be transmitted through the air, emphasizing that people should carry on with their daily lives without being afraid. And finally, he promised to provide financial support to local governments working to contain the virus.
Well, the spread of the MERS virus in Korea has been making global headlines. And what are other countries doing to protect their citizens so far?
Daniel, Taiwan has widened its travel alert for Korea to include the whole country, an upgrade of its previous alert just for Seoul and Gyeonggi-do Province. And you might also remember Hong Kong issued a red travel alert for Korea just yesterday. Now, that's the second highest warning, and it comes with a call for citizens to avoid non-essential trips to Korea. Meanwhile, travel agencies in Hong Kong have canceled all package tours to Korea scheduled for this month. And now that makes 600 programs for 12,000 travelers, dealing a heavy blow to Korea's travel industry. Back to you.